we have one formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Now this is one important formula. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Now by using this formula we have to find R. Question. Find R if 11C4, 11C5, 12C6, 13C7 is equal to 14CR. Use this formula for these two terms first. Suppose this is R, then this is 5, this is 4, this is R minus 1. So use this formula. 11 is there, that means N. So N plus 1 take. 11 plus 1 is 12. C. Now R we have to take, R is 5. See once again, use this formula for these two terms from this side. If we take this as R, 5 as R, here is 4, that means R minus 1. N, that means same term, 11 is here. In this case, we take N plus 1, 11 plus 1 is 12, R is 5, plus 12C6 plus 13C7 is equal to 14CR. Next, from this side, this is R6, 5, R minus 1, this is 12, that is N. Therefore, use here formula N plus 1, that is 12 plus 1 is 13, C, R is 6, remaining term 13C7, 14CR. Next again, if we put this is R7, then this is 6, R minus 1, this is 13, that is N. So formula is N plus 1, 13 plus 1 is 14, C, R is 7, N plus 1, 13 plus 1, 14, C, R is 7 is equal to 14 CR. 14C7 is equal to 14 CR. We direct write R equal to 7. 14 is here, so take R is equal to 7. Show that N plus 1 NPR is equal to N minus R plus 1 N plus 1 PR. This is the question. Write separate terms. This into this NPR, this term into this something NPR. So first solve LHS. Solve direct. N plus 1 term as it is. NPR formula is N factorial. N minus R bracket factorial. We know that N factorial is N n minus 1 factorial. We know that n factorial is n minus 1 factorial. If we arrange these terms, then here is n plus 1, here is n factorial. That means n minus 1, here same case, n plus 1, 1 take minus, so n factorial is common, so we write n factorial. Therefore here we write n plus 1 factorial. See once again, n factorial is n minus 1 factorial. Now take these terms, n plus 1, n factorial here. Compare them. n and this term is by taking minus 1. So this term is n plus 1. This term is by taking minus 1. That is n factorial is there. In such case, here is n factorial. That means here we write n plus 1 bracket factorial. So this is equal to n plus 1 bracket factorial, and at the denominator there is n minus r factorial. Now this is value of LHS. N plus 1 factorial, n minus r factorial. See RHS. Solve directly. n minus r plus 1. Use permutation formula n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 minus r bracket factorial. Numerator n minus r plus 1, n plus 1 factorial, at the denominator. N plus 1 bracket factorial is written in the form n plus 1 minus r, n minus r. That means this term take minus 1 from this term, so n minus r only and factorial. This is the method. n minus 1 factorial. This is, that is n factorial. n factorial is n minus 1 factorial. This factorial, that means this term minus 1, if we take, then n minus r is there factorial. So n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1 will cancel. We have n plus 1 factorial, and here is n minus r factorial. If we see, LHS is same and this is same. Therefore we say that LHS is equal to RHS. First find LHS properly, then RHS. This was LHS. Find RHS here. Both the values are same. Therefore we say that LHS is equal to RHS. Formulae today we discuss. This is the homework for you. Complete the formula NPR, NCR, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to. Complete all these formulas NCR plus NCR minus 1. There is sum. Such type of question we have taken. Then next one relation is NPR is equal to R factorial NCR. Remember this formula is also important. When you have given values of NPR and NCR, then you use this formula and find the values. NPR equal to R factorial NCR. This is also, remember this formula. Nanti